Whiskers, isn't the jungle amazing? There's so much to see and explore.
It's beautiful, Fluffy, but also a little big. What if we get lost?
Don't worry, we'll stick together. Besides, I heard there's a magical mango hidden deep in the jungle. Let's find it.
A magical mango? That sounds fun and delicious. Let's go.
Look, Whiskers, that tree has vines we can climb.
I'm not sure about climbing, Fluffy. What if we fall?
You'll do great, let's try.
What's this? A feather?
It's a clue. It says, follow the path of the singing birds to find the next hint.
Singing birds? I can hear them. Let's follow the sound.
Welcome, little adventurers. Are you looking for the magical mango?
Yes, we are. Can you help us?
Of course, look under the big rock near the waterfall.
Thank you, birds. Let's go, Fluffy.
That must be the rock. Let's move it together.
A map. It says, cross the log bridge and look for the tallest tree.
Log bridge. Oh, I saw one earlier. Come on. Look, Whiskers, that tree is huge. Let's check under it.
We found it! The magical mango!
It's beautiful. Let's take it back and share it with our jungle friends. We found the magical mango and we want to share it with everyone.
Sharing makes everything better.
The end. And so Fluffy and Whiskers learned that the best adventures are those shared with friends.